Hootsuite Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of the Hootsuite Affiliate Program based on my personal experience. Links to the program and related resources are available in the description below. Hootsuite is one of the leading social media management platforms, helping businesses and individuals streamline their social media marketing across multiple platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. With its comprehensive tools for scheduling posts, monitoring social feeds, and analyzing performance, Hootsuite has become a go-to solution for social media managers and marketers worldwide. The Hootsuite Affiliate Program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Hootsuite's premium plans and services. As someone who has used this program, I can tell you that it's well suited for content creators, bloggers, digital marketers, and businesses who already have an audience interested in improving their social media presence. Once a user signs up for a paid plan through your affiliate link, you'll earn a percentage of the sale, which is a performance-based commission structure. The more users you refer, the more you can earn. What I really like about the Hootsuite Affiliate Program is the variety of marketing materials available to help affiliates succeed. Whether you're creating a blog post, writing an email campaign, or running ads, Hootsuite provides banners, links, and even custom creatives to make promoting their service easy and effective. Additionally, they offer a generous 45-day cookie window, which gives you a better chance of earning commissions on delayed purchases. The program also provides real-time tracking and detailed analytics, so you can see which of your marketing efforts are driving the most conversions. Hootsuite is known for its reliable service and excellent customer support, which makes it a product you can confidently recommend. This program is great for affiliates in the social media marketing, digital marketing, and productivity niches. If you're already familiar with Hootsuite or have an audience interested in improving their social media management, this affiliate program is worth considering. So make sure to check the description below for links to get started with the Hootsuite Affiliate Program. And I hope this review has been helpful in giving you a solid understanding of what to expect.